Okay, everyone, what is happening in our company, in our school? We were facing the motor is not working issue. Like as you can see, this motor is fresh motor and the wire is fresh. There is a no breaking in the wire. Wire it is connected properly. Wire is not break from here, and it is also not break from here. And the motor is fresh, and motor is now this motor is, as you can see, when I give the power from the battery, this motor is working properly. Motor is working. Now if I take a second motor, this motor, it is also a fresh motor. As you can see, this is a fresh motor, but it is used by the student. But what is happening in this motor, when I connect this to the battery, this motor is not working. Okay, same as that, what is happening in third motor as well. Third motor, this is a third motor. No problem in this motor. Wire is not breaked even. Wire is proper. As you can see, wire is proper. It is not break from the connector and from here as well. But what is happening, this motor is not working. So I will remove the first motor which was working. As you can see, this motor is working, first motor, and this motor is working. So I will keep it separate, and these two motor, like this motor, from these two motor I will repair one of two motor. Okay, so what I will do, I am going to repair one motor, then you will understand that how it will be get repaired. So this motor was not working. As you can see, this motor is not working after giving the power. So what happened inside, sometimes this motor are break from here or from here. Okay, mostly motor are breaking from here. When the student use this motor, it is breaking from here, not here, mostly from here. So first we will test this one, this is break from here or not. So for that, what we will do, we will remove the cover of this motor. Okay, how we will remove the cover, let's see. What I will do, there is a locks here. When you press this lock, when you press and push it, so like I'm pushing from my thumb and I'm pressing from the screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to press this one, it is open. Now one lock is open, second lock is open, and when you press third one, okay, third one is open. Okay, now from here what you will do, again there is one more lock, and you will try to press it, and this is open, and this is open, and this is also open. Okay, so what you will do, you will remove the upper part of it, you will keep it separate here, and I am going to remove the motor silently. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the motor and keeping all parts same as that it was like that in previous. And I'm going to, what I will do, mostly motor are breaking from here because there is a twisting point is here. So I'm going to keep some distance from here, and now I'm going to cut it the wire from here. Okay, now I will cut this wire, and I will cut this wire as well. Okay, simply I will cut this one from here and from here. Now motor is out from this, and what I will do, I will remove this one because I think there is some kind of damaged part inside, damaged wire inside in this one. So I'm going to remove this wire from here, and I'm going to reinsert this wire as it was previous. I'm going to insert from here, and I'm going to insert it from here as well, and I'm going to insert it from here. Okay, now as you can see, same as it was previous, same as I'm doing. Now what I will do, I will cut this wire, I will cut it, and I will remove the cover from here, small cover of this wire, and the metal part I will leave. I am using this tool for like it is a wire remover or wire cutter, you can tell it. And yeah, this one. Now I cut some wire, and see there is some kind of part is there, what it help that to remove the only cover, not metal. So it is helpful for removing the cover. So I am removing this one, and now after this I will use the soldering iron, which I have this soldering iron. I am going to use this one. So I will remove the previous soldering from here. As you can see, the previous soldering was here, so I'm going to remove, and I'm going to like here, and now there was a hole inside, so I will create that hole again for inserting the wire as well as see here, the hole are created. As you can see, the holes are created. After that, what I will do, I will insert these wire again inside, like here. As you can see, the wire are inserted. Now I will show you that how you are going to do. You will insert this wire like this, then you will take your soldering wire. Soldering wire is there. This is a soldering wire for soldering the another wire. So it is you will keep this wire, and you will touch the soldering iron, and this wire will fill. It will melt and it will filled. So as you can see, it is filled. Yeah. Now further, what I will do, one wire is again remaining here, so I will again insert this wire inside the holes here, and I will keep it here for support. Then I will use soldering wire and soldering iron, and I'm going to melt this wire on this one for sticking this wire to the connectors of the motor terminal. Now what I will do, I will try to test this motor is working or not. So this is a terminal, and I will connect this terminal. Now as you can see, this motor is working. It is creating sound and it is vibrating. It means it is working. As you can see, now this motor is working. Simply what you will do, you will take this motor again and keep it as it was in previous. Okay, and you are going to place it again. Now it is placed, and now this part should be also go inside like previous. Okay, now it is like same as that. And now we are going to place this cover, and this is placed. Now this motor is rotating. Okay, now this motor has some sound previously, so it will create the sound. So don't hesitate about that sound. See, as you can see, it is working properly, same as that previous motor. So as you can see, this motor is starting working. So problem was that wire was breaking from here because it was twisting again by the students, so it was breaking.